Hello again, crafters. So what we're going to cover in this video is how to go about setting up Discord and what you can expect once you arrive in our server, some of the places where you can find additional information, as well as where you can go to find help if you need it. So if you don't have Discord already, first place that you'll want to go to is discord.com. From here, you'll be presented with two different options. One option will be to download the client. The second option would be to open Discord in your browser. Now, me personally, I recommend going with the browser option. Of course, that's up to you, but it is a little more convenient to have that as a tab in your browser instead of having different windows that you have to tab between. So now I already have an account. So in order to show you what account creation looks like, I am borrowing this YouTube video. So if you click the browser option, the first thing you'll be asked to do is to create a username. From there, you'll be expected to complete a CAPTCHA, which I'm sure all of you are familiar with. It'll ask you to provide your birth date. And then it may ask you if you want to create your own Discord server. If it does, just make sure to click the X in order to close that out. Then it'll ask you for your email and the password that you would like to use for the server, or for your account, I should say. And then, of course, you'll have to confirm your email. Once that is done, you go ahead and click the link that you'll find on this page, which will be the invite to our Discord server. And then once you arrive in our Discord server, it'll look something like this. So here you can find the basic rules for the server. In here, you can find some additional information about Metacrafters. So what is Metacrafters? If you wanted to know more about the team, read our white paper, see our roadmap, any background information that you'd like to know about Metacrafters, you can likely find here. And of course, a good place to always start is the place that says Start Here. Here you can find the roles for the server as well as an explanation of exactly what those roles mean, what the different categories mean that you'll see in the server, and then we have some recommended first steps. Now, in the Roles tab, you'll find a place where you can self-assign roles. So since you are a coder, because you are in this course, you would, of course, click Coder. Now, if you're also someone who likes to create digital art, then you may want to click this Creator. If you're a gamer like me, you might want to click this one, and so forth. Now, Announcements is where you can find announcements, as you may have guessed. Same with Academy News. These are typically Twitter announcements that you may find interesting. And if we scroll down, here is where you'll find a lot of the general discourse. So if you just want to chat and mingle and get to know your fellow peers, this is a great place to do that. We also have a chat specifically for developers. So this is what that is for. And of course, if you're new, which if you're watching this video, you likely are, we also have an introduction channel. So this is a great place to just introduce yourself, maybe mention some of your skills, your background, and we also have our help and support channel. This is a really important one. So if you have any technical issues with the website or you're just looking for some general help, this is a good place to go. Now, since you are in the Solana course, one of the most important channels for you, of course, is the Solana channel, which is called Sol Proof. So here is where you'll see challenges being posted. And of course, this is where you yourself, being the amazing student that you are, will also post your challenges. And of course, if you have any Solana specific questions, this is also the place for those. And of course, if you're interested in some of the other courses, there are channels for all of them. And that is Discord. And with that, welcome to our community.